close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So today was supposed to be our last full day of schoolwork for the spring semester. Technically, we have until Friday to do as much work as we can, not by their standards, just by our schedule of time events to get things done, and still have 2 weeks in between spring and summer semester, and then 2 weeks between the summer and fall semester. But as you can still hear outside, God had a different plan for us today. It is thunderstorming. So thankfully though, like, the kids all took showers yesterday. I was going to wait till today. I was going to have them all do showers today. And they're like, no, I want to do shower Thursday as well. So we don't do showers back to back just because for me personally, I can't because I have psoriasis. So I went ahead and took mine this morning after my workout. And yeah, I'm glad I did, because not long, I think we had made it through breakfast. I had finished showering, finished putting moisturizer on my face, and we were sitting down to do personal finance, and it started thundering, and my phone starts blaring like the emergency signal. And in East Tennessee, we're used to thunderstorms in the spring, but like when it does that, you know, it's really bad. So I went ahead and shut down my computer completely, because a gaming PC was the only thing we could find that would keep up with computer editing. The thing about gaming PCs is if they suddenly get turned off from a power outage, you sometimes have to turn them back on after pushing the failsafe in the back of the computer, which is not easy to get to. So, or at least not in the way we have it set up. So went ahead and shut everything down, and it was just getting darker and darker. And then we had that green tint of light that was like, oh no. Because that green tint means that not only are we under a thunderstorm warning, we could possibly have hail or tornadoes. And like, it's not common for us to have tornadoes here. Mountainous areas don't have tornadoes as much as valley areas do and flat areas do. So we took it pretty serious. I shut everything down, unplugged as much stuff as I could that I didn't want to, you know, risk getting fried or anything. And I put all the kids on the couch and turned on The Hobbit, because we have it on DVD or on Blu-ray. We have it on Blu-ray, and we have the extended edition. I figured let them watch that, and then we would get back to school. Well, they changed it. The alert was supposed to stop at 10:30. It's now supposed to stop at 4 p.m. And we are under tornado or thunderstorm watch until like tomorrow afternoon or something like that. But we're under a thunderstorm warning till like 4 p.m. It's crazy. Like, we're okay-ish now. We can just hear thunder like rolling off the hills. And also in mountainous areas, for people who live in flat areas, mountainous areas, we don't hear thunder unless it's like there, unless it's right there. And that was such a shock for us, because when we went to Castaway Key, we heard thunder while we were on the island, but apparently it was like several miles away, and we were like, should we get out of the water? And they're like, no, it's fine. And it was such a culture shock to us, because like if we hear thunder, that means it's like at your doorstep. You've got seconds to get anything outside taken care of. So I normally don't let the dog on the couch, but the dog and one of the kids is very, very sensitive to storms. So I kind of figured just let them both kind of cuddle and put the movie on for them. We did popcorn for lunch, because one of the things I do is when it's storming, I don't want to open the fridge. I want to give the fridge as much time as possible. So we did popcorn for lunch, we did granola, and we did some fruit cups. Another reason why we stock up on these things. The other thing I've been doing today is we have three portable AC units. We have a main AC unit, and I keep them lower than I normally would during a storm. That way, if we lose power, we're not gonna be like dripping in sweat by nighttime. So I went ahead and took care of that. But yeah, I was supposed to be doing book work today. One of them is completely done. Another one is waiting on me to grade her last report that she emailed me. And I've been on the phone with people like all day. And also like taking pictures of the birds and stuff. So like I haven't had time to do it. And also like I kind of wanted to watch the movie with the kids. And I was on the couch with them for a while, and then I just kind of let them have the couch because I need to keep an eye on the sky when it got really dark but really green outside. So I'll let them all have the couch, and I may just let them nap and just let them rest. And the only class that we're not 100% done with is personal finance, but they can do that as they can. And it's not a huge deal. And like I said, we have 2 more actual school days for this semester, which I was going to do with community service and field trip. So I don't know. We'll just kind of see how it goes. Right now, it's really, really weird weather. It's May in East Tennessee. We're used to this, but like also I wasn't expecting to be off the internet and be off of laptops the rest of the day, Chromebooks the rest of the day. It is one downside to like whenever we do mostly online classes or like digital classes is like when stuff like this happens. But this is also why usually I have backup for these things. But with the personal finance, it's an online class. Like the videos are online, and then you do book work and you can review the book work, but you need those videos to be able to finish the course. And a lot more places are switching to the virtual, streaming it from a website than they are like sending DVDs, because DVDs expire. And you can update a website easier than you can send out new DVDs. So yeah, kind of where we are. But yeah, I mean, all of us are showered, ready for like church and things. And yeah, it's all going pretty good. So, I mean, as good as it can be right now, but it was so interesting because like, it's the school year, the spring's not school year because we do a summer semester, but like the traditional school year is ending, and it didn't end the way we wanted it to, but like that's just kind of how we are. And I wish I had learned earlier on in homeschooling the things that I know now of like, you don't have to do X, Y, Z for it to be a school day. You don't have to stress when things don't go to where you can complete everything on the checklist for the day. And I wish I had learned that so much earlier on. And so like if you're similar, or if you're like just now starting out with homeschooling and you have days like this, don't stress it, because like there's always going to be another day. And I mean, there's always going to be another school day to do it, or another day to do it, even if it's a Saturday, even if it's a Sunday afternoon after church. There's always another day to do it. So we're just relaxing and watching The Hobbit, and it wasn't exactly the ending I was expecting for a day, but I would not have it any other way, because I saw so much growth this year and so much growth in myself and my kids, and I'm really enjoying just having a relaxing day, listening to the thunder, and just letting them nap on the couch and just rest and take that time to themselves, because we're going to have such a super busy summer. Let them get some extra rest today.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. breeze, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Good morning from day 2. The sun finally came out 30 minutes ago, and it's like 9:30, 9:45. So it was storming from yesterday morning. I think it literally stormed for 24 hours, like constant 24 hours. Thunder, lightning, tornadoes. Our area didn't get tornadoes, but a little further west of us did, because mountains don't really get tornadoes, thankfully. And we're literally on the side of a mountain. So, day 2, no storms. We're going to get everybody through shower today, and we're going to focus on getting 3 classes finished up: personal finance, chemistry, and U.S. history. And then we're done for the spring semester.
And on we